Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Custom Division F3 here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about this bad boy, which comes with the Shirogorov certificate of authenticity and all the specs on this guy. Also there's of course the knife, there should be like also the Russian certificate right over here, which is always nice to have. It's a little leaflet with the stamp. Love this stuff. And of course you got your black box with the Shiro logo, you got your black cloth with the Shiro logo, and you get your black carbon fiber lightning strike scales liner lock Shirogorov F3 custom division. Would you look at this beauty right over here? This is a limited edition, there's only 30 made of this guy. It's a pretty cool knife, guys, I have to say. Look at that. 3D milled carbon fiber lightning strike scales for this liner lock, titanium fully skeletonized liners, titanium back spacer, non-spinning pivot, titanium pivot collar on both sides, hidden hardware, pocket clip 3D milled in titanium. You got some Vanax 37 steel, crazy polished for the flats. Look at this beauty, and kind of like a vapor blast, like a very fine stone washed finish for the actual. Look at that, gorgeously done. Nice jimping, the action is sublime, like I just tuned it like to perfection, blade perfectly centered. You got a very nice knife. You can maybe see like the fully skeletonized liners. Look at that, they're like fully skeletonized, like see-through. You can see the actual carbon fiber. Roller bearings going on there. I mean, this is like what is like cutting edge is like 4 inches for the cutting edge and 5 inches for the handle, for like a little bit like 8.75 overall in length for this beautiful blade, guys. The action is just this, like, you just look at that. I mean, crazy action. Let's quickly check the weight, because I have no idea on how much this guy is gonna weigh, because it's a big boy, it's fat, it's chubby, but it's gonna be like 4.61 ounces, so not too shabby for to be like a, look at these liners and the carbon fiber. 4.6 ounces is pretty good with the back spacer. Not complaining at all, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.